Hello everybody, welcome to study SolidWorks with online class. Today we study about how to design a gear in SolidWorks. Yes, let's start.
Select sketch, right plan, select sidecar, draw sidecar, exit, add dimension, yeah, 32 click OK, feature, extrude, yeah, select mid plane, yeah, oh, mid plane again, yeah, 15 click OK, yeah, click on isometric sketch, click this surface, no more, yeah, select sidecar and draw sidecar, yeah, draw one more sidecar. Oh, draw one sidecar. Okay. 10 mm. Click OK. Select center right angle. Draw the right angle. Yes, smart dimension. This point 2 mm and this point 2 mm. Click OK. Yes. Zoom. Now time to stream. Yes, stream this one. Yes, stream. Oh, also stream the, yes, center line. Yeah. Feature extrude cut. Yes. Select isometric. And extrude or click OK. Yeah. Select isometric sketch. Click the surface. Select isometric. Oh, normal. Yeah, sorry. Select on cycle and draw cycle. Draw one more cycle. Okay. Click OK. Enter dimension. Yeah. 25 mm. And this cycle 15 mm. Click OK. And click OK. Feature extrude cut. Yes. Enter the dip. 3.0 mm. Click OK. Yeah, we get this surface. Yeah. Click on cut extrude to. Click mirror. Click on right plane. Click OK. Yes, we get this surface. Yeah. Yes, okay. Select sketch and select this surface and select isometric. Select center line. Yeah, draw a center line from origin to this point. Yeah. Exit center line. Click line and draw a line from center line. Yes, to here. Exit line. Enter dimension. Yes, distance from line to origin. Yeah. Thirteen point six mm and length of line 0.5 mm. Click OK. Yeah. Select 3 point and draw the 3 point. Yeah. Exit. Enter dimension. Yeah, from here to here. One 0.58 mm. Click OK. And this point to this point. 3.28 mm. Click OK. And and then enter the 3-point radius. Oh, yes, stop, again, yeah, yes, enter radius. No, 4.56 mm. Yeah, okay. Yes, click on mirror. Yes, select this point. Oh no, error something. Yeah. Click this mirror about. Yes, click center line. Click OK. Yes, we get it. Yeah. Yes, and draw the 3 point. Yes, 3 point. Connect from here to here. Yeah. Yes. Click OK. Smart dimension. Yeah. Enter the radius of 3 point. Yes. 18 mm. Click OK. And one more. Click OK. Yeah. Select fillet. Yeah. And enter the fillet parameter and select yes. Yes. Enter the fillet parameter 0.30 mm. Yes. Click here and click yes. Select yeah. Oh, don't select on center line. Yeah. Yeah. Select again. Yeah. Zoom. Yeah. Select here. Click yes. Select here and click yes and click OK. Yes, we get it. Yeah. Select feature and then select on extrude cut. Yeah. Select on isometric and select on true all. Click OK. Yes, we get this surface. Yeah. And click select cut extrude 3. Select on circular pattern. Circular pattern. And yes, select here. Yeah, select this surface. Enter the number 30 number of instant. Yeah. Okay. Click equal spacing. Click OK. Yes. Now we get the gear. Yeah. Like this picture. Yeah. Wow. So cool. It is simple and easy to design the gear. Yeah. Yes. You can change the material. Yes, select on edit material and select the material. Yes, now I choose the cast carbon steel. Yes, apply, close. Yes, now we get it. Yeah, change the color. Yeah, select the metal. Yeah, yes, double click here. Yes, we get it. Yes, you can change another color that you want. Yes, now finish for gear design. Oh, it is so cool. Yes, can change another color. Yes. Oh, click on water. Oh, yes. Like a sea color. Yeah. Yeah, finish. Thank you for watching this video. Yes, don't forget to subscribe channel to get more video SolidWorks. Yes, thank you. Goodbye.